Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get started. The Caribbean Sea is home to over 7,000 islands and keys, each with its own unique ecosystem. Today we explore this tropical region by rib. Rib boats are known for their speed and maneuverability, ideal for navigating these clear, shallow waters. The first stop is this uninhabited island, one of many scattered across the Caribbean. These islands are often characterized by their white sandy beaches, a result of coral erosion and the accumulation of shells over thousands of years. These clear, shallow waters are a haven for marine life. Green sea turtles, a species that can live for over 80 years, are commonly seen here, grazing on the rich seagrass beds. Nearby, red cushion sea stars, a species of starfish known for its vivid coloration and five-pointed symmetry, can be seen in the sand. Next, we head towards the edge of the reef. Coral reefs in the Caribbean are among the most biodiverse marine habitats on the planet. Hard corals such as elkhorn and brain coral form the backbone of this ecosystem, supporting over 1,000 species of fish and countless other marine organisms, providing a shelter for a wide range of species. After exploring the reef, we arrive at a popular docking spot where island restaurants offer locally sourced seafood, providing a vital link between the tourism industry and the local fishing communities. Sustainable fishing practices are essential in these waters, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy these beaches and these flavors. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe.